Hi guys, I'm Wodacy2 and it's not a lock picking video, it's a video of some locks that I managed to get hold of from work. You can see a few empty tubs up there. I'm rearranging them, and for the simple reason is for this huge amount of locks. There are probably 80 to 100 multi-locks, so I've got loads there. These are Rucos at the side there, Corbins and Eurospecs, some with keys, some without. Just there's a leg to the right hand side under Yale. I got all these from work, so I'm having to rearrange everything in my tubs to accommodate this huge amount of locks. I'm going to pick through what I can once I get a chance, as I've not been doing too much picking lately due to work. So what I'll probably do is, once I've picked a few of these or whatever, I might try do some sort of giveaway, trades, whatever, because I've got far too many to go through. So there's multi-locks, Rucos, Eurospecs, say, and we've also got these Corbins, just so many. Look at that, it's like a gold mine for a lock sporter. So guys, thanks for watching, even though it's not a lock picking video. Happy picking, and please keep it legal.